How to find the best Houston truck accident lawyer. When a truck hits you, can it be considered a car accident? When a truck or semi hits you and you get injured, should you file for a claim of your own personal injury or wait for the driver to be sued? That is an important decision to make, as this case can take months or even years to settle or win. For many victims who are seriously injured, waiting months or even years to get any money can be very frustrating and expensive. If the truck driver is injured, he may have to sue you and take you to court. If the truck driver is not injured, it may be easier for you to settle directly with his insurance carrier for fair and reasonable compensation. Regardless, the truck driver is responsible for paying your medical bills and your future lost wages. He also needs to pay for all of the costs of your trucking insurance policy if you have one. A good Houston truck accident lawyer can guide you through the legal process and help you obtain fair compensation for your injuries. Now, if you're in the Houston area, what I normally recommend is you can perform a simple Google search. In this case, I performed a search for best Houston truck accident lawyer. Now, as you scroll down a little bit, this is just a key note for always to keep in mind. You always get the top results based on your search, and they normally pop up on the first page of your results. Now, as you can see here, you have a few listings here. You have attorney Richard Alexander, you have Zell and Associates Injury and Accident Lawyers, you have the law offices of Alexander M. Gurvik. So if you want to expand and view all, you could just click on view all. As you click on view all, you're going to see a map on your right hand side. You can zoom in and out as you please from the map. And at the same time, on the left hand side here, you can see the different office names. Now, one thing to keep in mind is their ratings. Here you can see there's a 4.9. This particular one has a 5.0. Which is great ratings. And here you can see the number of people that have rated them. So in this particular one, for example, is 160 ratings. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, then you'll see this pop on the right side of the screen. And if you would like to see the actual reviews, you could click on where it says the 160 reviews. And here you could just start scrolling down and see what type of feedback and how long ago the feedback was posted. So in this particular case, it was only 2 days ago. And here you can see the attention to detail with this firm and the lawyers is unbelievable. They caught everything, knew where to look. So it's good to actually click on the different ones and kind of like review, look at the different reviews that they have in order for you to gauge and see what type of performance you're able to expect from this particular office. And this is something that you should always keep in mind, whether you're looking for an accident attorney, a truck accident attorney, or any type of attorney for a recommendation. You should always perform a Google search, and you could start looking at the different ratings, and you're able to kind of like gauge the results and make the right determination when it comes to picking the attorney of your choice. Thank you. Car accident lawyer, Los Angeles, California. Accidents are unfortunate and can really have an effect on your life if you're not prepared for it. Accidents happen because of various reasons. They might be caused by negligence, human error, or even by some defective products. In any case, if you are unfortunate to have a car accident, you should seek a car accident lawyer. A lawyer can help you get compensation for the damages and injuries that you have sustained. Car accidents can be caused by various reasons. They can be by the fault of the road users, reckless driving, speeding, or even defective products that are used by the car owner. A car accident lawyer will be able to help you recover from the injuries you sustain and recover from the damages of your vehicle. If you're involved in a car accident, make sure you seek the services of an experienced accident lawyer. Now, if you're in the Los Angeles area, what I recommend is you go into and perform a simple Google search. You Google car accident lawyer, Los Angeles, California. And always when you perform a Google search, the first page is going to give you the top results, the highest ranking results. It doesn't matter what subject that you're actually looking for. But as we scroll down here, we're looking for one particular site that gives a lot of great feedback on attorneys, depending on your area. In this case, it's in the Los Angeles area. So I'll go ahead and click on this particular link, which is for expertise.com, and it'll give you a ranking of the top attorneys, lawyers available in the Los Angeles area. After you click on the link, all you have to do is scroll down. And as you scroll down, you're able to look at the different top agencies that are available. And you can click on whichever one of choice. After you click on it, you can read a little bit more regarding it. You can see the actual address. You can see a brief description of the law offices here, which in this case is the law offices of C. Ray Carlson. It also gives you a reputation score here. They basically grade them, and as you can see, this particular office has an A+ reputation and also received an A+ for professionalism. It also has a phone number, contact information, and a link to the website. Now, they all contain these type of options once you click on the actual law firm that you're interested in. And as you can see, these are the results that we get for the law offices of C. Ray Carlson. Always remember to perform a search on Google. You want to make sure you're going to get the best representation that's out there for you. So you want to make sure you do and perform a thorough research on the attorney that you're interested in. Thank you. Car accident lawyer, Houston, Texas. Car accidents are the leading cause of death in the United States. Car accidents are generally viewed as a leading cause of death, primarily because the number of automobile accidents in the United States is high, partly because there are so many people injured in an automobile accident, and partly because of the significant costs associated with hospital treatment, rehabilitation services, and legal fees. Car accidents happen frequently and can occur at any time. A car accident lawyer can help clients after a car accident to seek compensation for injuries and damage. Car accident lawyers provide clients with legal counsel and representation from the moment of the accident until a client is entitled to compensation. The attorneys will help with filing of legal action and negotiating of settlements. An accident can result in catastrophic injuries and financial damages, which are often far more than the client originally expected. A car accident lawyer can help by helping clients to obtain compensation for their losses, including lost wages, medical bills, legal fees, and more. Now, if you're trying to find a top car accident lawyer and you're in the Houston, Texas area, you can do this by simply going to google.com and performing a simple Google search of car accident lawyers, Houston, Texas. Now, once it brings you to the main screen, if you scroll down a bit to the bottom of the screen, just a little bit of scrolling, not too much, you'll be able to see this link here for expertise.com. Now, expertise.com is a great website to use as they rate the top attorneys in the Houston area. And here you see we have a total of 574, but they basically narrow it down for you to a total of around the top 29. And as you scroll down here, you can see different links for different attorneys around the areas. And you can just simply look more into the attorney of choice by clicking on the actual link, which contains the name of the attorney. Or you can also, once you get in the actual website, here you can see you're not actually yet at the website, but it has a link here if you decide to go on the website, or if you would like to get their contact information, also their address as well. Now, what I like about expertise.com is they also rate the different attorneys. Here, as you can see, they rate them by reputation, and also they also rate them by professionalism. So as you can see, you can always scroll around and kind of like see what kind of ratings that they have. But this is a very important step in your journey for getting the correct and right attorney that's going to be by your side and do right by you. So thank you for joining. Accident attorney in San Antonio. Accident attorneys and their aftermaths are serious matters. When you're involved in an accident that requires medical attention and causes an injury, you need the representation of an attorney who knows the industry and the laws you face. Your insurance company will want to settle the case as quickly as possible to save money. However, your attorney will be able to negotiate a settlement or file a lawsuit and fight for you. When you're injured in a serious accident, your attorney will assess your medical condition and the damage. Together, you and your attorney will determine whether your injuries are severe enough to warrant a lawsuit or whether a settlement is in your best interest. A well-researched, aggressive attorney can help you maximize the benefits of a settlement and/or lawsuit. In the example on the screen, if you happen to be in the San Antonio area, I happened to do a simple Google search of top accident attorneys, San Antonio. As I scroll down here, you can go ahead and select expertise.com, which is a great website and provides you with the top 26 attorneys in the San Antonio area. As you can see, you can scroll down, and here are the top picks, which includes the top 26 law firms in the area. You can click on the individual attorney names, and as you can see, it'll bring you over to this screen here. And as it brings you over to the screen, then you're able to see more information regarding the attorney office, as well as links to the website, address, and phone number as well. If you simply want to go straight to the website, you can click on the website link, and it will bring you over to the website. And you can read more information regarding the attorney in this section. You can also go back and toggle back and forth between the different attorneys. Here we have Herman and Herman. You can also see a rating at the bottom. The reputation for this particular Herman and Herman PLLC has an A+ rating. This is a great way for you to do research on your area in the event that you need an accident attorney, and it'll help you make a decision on selecting the best one. Motorcycle crash lawyers. A motorcycle accident is not just a motorcycle accident. A serious motorcycle accident, sometimes referred to as a motorcycle crash, results in broken bones, spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, internal injuries, and death. This is why it is extremely important to seek the help of an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer immediately. What's an accident lawyer? A motorcycle accident lawyer is not a lawyer who specializes in motorcycle law. You should call and speak with an experienced motorcycle attorney who has experience helping clients recover compensation from their motorcycle injury cases. Why is it important to seek the help of a motorcycle accident lawyer? Motorcyclists in the United States have higher accident rates than drivers of passenger vehicles or light trucks. Motorcycle crashes can result in broken bones, spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, internal injuries, and death. As such, a serious motorcycle accident is different and unique from a car and truck crash. Motorcycle injury cases involve different laws and different types of damage awards that are not involved in the same vehicle accident claims as in a car and truck accident laws. As such, you need an experienced motorcycle accident attorney to help you pursue your case, and a car accident attorney to help you pursue your case. The same injury lawyer may be used in both cases. An attorney can help you understand the different motor vehicle accidents, the injury you sustained, how the laws apply to your case, and how the laws may apply to future cases. This is why it is critical to seek help of an experienced motorcycle injury lawyer as soon as possible. Now, as you can see on the screen, you can simply find their top motorcycle crash lawyers in your area by performing a simple Google search. You can type motorcycle crash lawyers, and depending on your area, whether you're in San Francisco, whether you're in Texas, whether you're in Florida, you can add the desired area with your motorcycle crash lawyers query. Since I'm in the North Jersey area, my results would show me results of top lawyers in this tri-state area, which I'll go ahead and click on this here. And as you can see, Todd J. Leonard Law Firm is one of the top law firms around this area that handles motorcycle accidents. Now, it is recommended for you to do your due diligence and see what type of feedback the top attorneys around your area have. And from there, you can gauge and make a
proper decision as to see who you would like to represent you in your motorcycle case.